Thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. This is part 2 of the GT12 Avenger, or a replica of a GT40 built. In this episode, I want to keep you guys up to speed on what's going on with this project. Now, I started the episode number 1 talking about what the plan is for this vehicle, and I was talking about waiting until November or October timeframe to start working on the body, but I want to be proactive. For right now, I'm going to start working on a chassis, and this is the 1967 Volkswagen Beetle chassis. I'm going to start working on it, get it ready, so by the time the winter comes or the fall comes, when the temperature drops lower, I would have the chassis already, hopefully. And then I just work on the body, get it joined together, and we'll have a vehicle that's ready to be driven. So in this episode, I'll catch you guys up to what I've done so far the last couple of weeks. Now, I do have another video specifically on doing a engine swap. You can check that one out on the channel. I plan on swapping the Volkswagen Beetle engine for a Subaru EJ20X. That's a turbocharged engine. Should put out around 250 horsepower. So there's a significant horsepower gain on that light little car. We'll talk about that in a few minutes here. I'm going to show you where I'm at this time, and then on the next update, hopefully I can get the engine transmission in and then start working on the chassis itself and some of the drivetrain component and the suspension. As you can see that I already removed the wheels completely. You can see the wheels are over there. Got them on jack stands. Then the back, everything is gone. The engine, the Transaxle, everything is gone. Suspension is gone. Everything has already been disassembled. You can see components are everywhere. This is the driver's side components. I just leave them here just so I remember which one goes where. And then I got passenger side components sitting here for now. I'm gonna do clean up a little bit later. And then over here, you can see the Transaxle is sitting right here. I'm gonna send this in as a core to get a new one. It's called the Pro Street from Rancho. And that should take around 200 horsepower or so. So I'm gonna have to tune that engine down a little bit, the EJ20X, to about 200 horsepower to be able to handle the Volkswagen Beetle transmission. Even though you have a built transmission, it's not going to take 250 horsepower. Now here's the engine I just took out. It's the VW engine. It was running just fine. I just didn't like the 60 or so horsepower on it. I want a little bit more than that. So anyway, I'm probably just going to put this on Marketplace and sell it. The Subaru EJ20X engine is coming next week, so that's exciting. Sending this in for a Pro Street one. So that's going to be probably 2 to 3 weeks before it's going to get here, because I got to send this in as a core. And then is my dog Becky. She's always in here. Love to hang out in the garage. By the way, that's my boy Rookie over there. They're all sleeping. So here's the exhaust system I took out. And then the axle is right here. The axle tube is right there. Everything already been taken apart, ready to go. So I'm just going to do a whole bunch of cleaning before I can put everything back. Now you look at the suspension on the front, nothing been done just yet. So this is my work for next week. I'm going to take this entire thing down and clean everything up, replace ball joints, and then we'll get this freshened up. For the life of me, I really don't understand why they would cut this here and this here and then weld at some locations. So I'm going to have to take it all back out again and see why they did that. And then I'm probably going to finish weld this. That just looked real sketchy. Water's going to get on there. That's all kinds of corrosion. I'm gonna work on this next week and get it ready while I'm waiting for the engine and transmission, the new ones, to come in. Now, if you'd like to know all the details that I've done to the chassis, removing everything, you can go check out a video in my channel. I just released today, actually, and that's on the engine swap. But I did show all the detail work. It's about 30 minutes long if you'd like to catch up on that. So this is it for now. On the next update, I will give you more details on what the plan is for this vehicle. I appreciate you guys tuning in to KT Garage. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.